Okay, like for the web development, like we have used some third-party UI designing, like End Design Material UI. So can you just
Mhm.
tell me, like rendering the menu in End Design, like how can we use in JavaScript?
Sorry, do you mean the menu component?
Yes, menu component.
Okay, so actually I used it from their documentation. I do not actually remember the syntax 100%, but if I remember correctly, the menu item is it will give you a menu, and then for each item we have to use like the menu dot item with a unique identifier that will define like each item of the menu. And also if we want to render some submenu, we can use the menu.submenu component inside each of the menu item. So yeah, that's all I remember. I do not actually remember the syntax. I always go to their documentation and use from there.
Okay, can you just tell me the why we should use like End Design Material UI, those kind of
Hmm.
third-party UI library for the web development?
Ye-
Like we have a
yes,
raw
if
CSS or something, or
Mhm.
like Bootstrap. So why should we use them? Like,
Okay. So and design is one of the libraries that we use frequently. So UI libraries are mainly the main reason for using UI libraries is reducing your development time. Because we can build everything from scratch if we want. If we have a drop down menu, if we have a menu, if we have an accordion, we can do it drop down, but it will actually increase the development time. It will take a lot of time to develop. So the purpose of UI libraries are just basically to make it easier for some functionalities or some of the UI components. Like I mentioned, our accordion, maybe a menu, maybe a drawer, maybe a drop down. So if we try to create those manually, it will take a lot of time during the development process, and the development process will be long. So for real life applications, we prefer using a library, any UI component library. It can be any library.
like if we want to do customization, are this library support customization?
Mm, yeah, and design actually does. Not all of the libraries support customization. And design actually does support customization. You can customize all of the input fields, all of the menu fields, like all of the components. You can customize those. You can also apply theming to and design. Yeah.